on the other side of the river, and also right here where it was turned off, they're all in the Laki lava, and are produced when the lava flows over wet ground and the incandescent lava gets into contact with water saturated substrate. You flash the water into steam and you get explosive eruptions. And you do this over and over again, and you produce a lot of little cones. In the end you have a group, and we call them cone groups. The reason why we call them rootless is because they're not fed by a conduit that goes into the ground. They're fed by a conduit which is within the lava flow, and it's a lateral conduit. The rootless cone group, which is down here, is called landbrotsholar. It's the largest rootless cone group on Earth. It has between 15,000 and 20,000 cones and craters. It covers about 120 square kilometers. Another thing is, I pointed out earlier, there was a ruin of a Viking farm over there, which was in this area, built in this area sometime between 840 and 934. And when that farm was built, Laki lava flow wasn't here, the Laki lava wasn't here either. So to actually reconstruct what was before the Vikings when they built their farm, you had to remove those lava flows. That's how much the land has changed. And all this flat area where the river is coming towards the lava, where the bus is standing and right beyond it, that was actually not there either, because that sediment fill which has been carried forth by the river since these lava flows came in here. All of the farms that you see in this area, they were not up in the hill slopes before these eruptions. They were actually down on the floodplains. The large river right there, which is Skaftá River, which is a big glacial river, comes from Vatnajökull. That river was about 5 kilometers further down out on the floodplain prior to the Laki eruption. And most of these farms, they were actually down there. As a consequence of the eruption, they were actually moved up. There's no point in farming a lava flow, so they had to find a new location. Gives you an idea of the size of these. How many farms were destroyed in the Laki eruption? 29. That's not just the farmhouses, but also the farmland.